welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining today. So today is going to be such a fun day. You know, the spring is here, and with a new season, it's a great opportunity to bring some fresh new life into your house and refreshing your space. So I'm going to share with you some super easy ideas that you can bring into your home for spring and summer. If you're new here, my name is Angel, and I would love to have you part of the family. So please do consider subscribing as well as turning your notifications on. And if you enjoyed this video or you like my decor, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. Let's get started.
So for my kitchen, I'm actually going to create this DIY flower. I picked up this picture from Ross. It's white with a silver glitter bottom. And then these tulips that are in the color of peach, I picked up from Michael's. I picked up 2 bundles and stuck them in the picture, and that makes for a quick DIY plant decor. And I think it's just gorgeous. I love the colors. I love the pop of color. And then I also picked up this plate from Ross and this flower from Michael's. It's in the same color, peach, and I added this in front of my sink and put my soap dish on top of it. And then I also replaced this towel with a Happy Easter towel I found at Ross. I think it's really cute, and it just adds a touch of spring to my kitchen. Now for my coffee bar, I found this painting that is so cute, and it has hues of blue and white. And then I also found this pre-made plant at Ross. It was really cheap, and I added this to my coffee bar and put a candle inside of it. And I think it just adds just the right amount of spring to my coffee bar. Now, let's look at the front door. Don't forget about your front door. So your entryway is the first impression people see. So I found these 2 planters. They were on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And I also found these 2 bonsai plants that are swirled. I love these. I love this so much. They were also 50% off at Hobby Lobby as well. And then this pre-made wreath I found at Michael's, and it was half off as well. So these items are really affordable, and now's the time to find them and use coupons. I use coupons for everything on top of that. Now let's move on to the bedroom. So I just wanted to add some springtime to the bedroom. So the winter is out, so I'm removing my thick fur comforter that I had layered on my bed, and I'm going to replace it with a pop of color. So I'm going to be adding elements of like a teal / mint color as well as a peach colors. So for my layered element for the bed, I'm going to add this. It's like a teal color blue quilt, and I'm going to, instead of just adding it the normal folded way, I'm actually going to do a triple layer on it just to give it just a pop. That color just adds element. That's why I like having a bed that's neutral, like a gray bed or white, because then you can replace colors each season that comes around, and I get bored quick. So that's why I want a neutral color in my bedroom. And then also replacing some pillows. So I'm taking off my darker gray pillows. I'm going to replace them with, again, like teal colored pillows as well as a little peach pillow to give just the bed a pop of spring, a pop of summer. Now looking at my nightstand, I'm replacing my white orchid flower with this quick little peach pre-made flower that I also picked up from Ross. And I also found this teal colored wax warmer from Walmart that I'm going to add to my nightstand. And I picked up these 2 scents in the scents of Egyptian cotton as well as magnolia to give it not only the color but as well as smells, because you want your house to smell like spring and summer. Moving on to my other nightstand, I did the same thing. I really love my stem showing and having glass jars. And then here in my window, I'm just adding also another pre-made flower that I've picked up from Ross. Adds a nice little glam to the window. I do need to clean my window, and I plan on doing that in my spring deep clean, so keep an eye out for that video. I really just adore these colors. I'm really a huge fan of peach and teal. Now, moving on to your sitting area, maybe your family room. I'm actually adding this to my sitting area. But pillows is a great way to dice up your sofas for spring. I found this peach pillow from Ross, I believe. And then paintings, don't forget about your wall, guys. Paintings is also a great way to freshen up your walls. So I found this peach wall painting from Hobby Lobby that was 50% off as well. Now for coffee tables, I'm just adding this quick little simple pre-made flower from Ross. Of course, you guys know I'm a huge DIY queen, but when time is short and you don't want to spend a lot of money, going to places like Ross and Hobby Lobby and Michael's and utilizing their 50% off sales as well as their coupons, you can really decorate your house for any season for very inexpensive. I literally refreshed my home in all of 10 minutes. So easy, so simple. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.